Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to the state of crypto. TSO Crypto. Welcome to TSO Crypto, your one-stop source for all crypto-related news and technicals. I am your host Martin, and in this episode we are gonna be talking about will Bitcoin break resistance? Now, if you are catching this from live, welcome. If you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. I really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news and technicals, make sure you subscribe and hit the like button and that bell so you're notified when we go live. If you want to keep on it chatting with us when the stream is done, join us on the Discord. The links will be going out right about now. You found the edge. Pretty good. I'm gonna look at the comments real quick. Sorry guys, I was like trying to fix the little bot. Apparently timed someone out for using emotes, and they were not excessive. They're just like a couple hand waving hands. So that was weird. Again, we got our bot in again today, so it's a new one. So I forgot that I needed to remove those things. So let's do his in the house. Tristan, thank you for being here. Andrew, what's up? BL, hi. Jeff Loomis, hey. Stackmar, hi. His is actually Xbox. Prepare for war rockets. All right. Steve, had a good stream. Thanks, man. I'll have a great stream. Twitch or not? Yeah, I'm on Twitch also. Spam? Yeah, no. It's either all or none, I guess. So I just removed that. You found the edge. Feels amazing. You love trading. Yeah, it's good that you found the edge. If you found the key. Nice. Elbow cuff. Right. Oh, dab, I guess. What's up, bro? And yo, guys, thank you for being here. I hope you're enjoying the new streams. I mean, at least the shorter version of the streams and the videos that we're posting afterwards. They are going to be a work in progress. I'm not used to making videos that are, like, you know, not live. So they are definitely weird. But we'll see if how those work and see how much more growth we can get with those. Anyways, thank you guys for joining me. Thank you for being here. Part of this awesome community. Really grateful for all of you. Let's go to that other screen where the magic happens. So let's go here to here. And let me grab the link to the Discord because I need to update the link. So let me get this link here and post it. Yeah. And pin it. That's a new Discord link. Pin on top of the chat. That's where you can join us. So let's get rolling. Let's go check out market cap, right? What is happening with the market cap? Right. So we got above that 236, which is pretty good, right? We almost went up to that $2 trillion mark. I was expecting to find some resistance up here. We didn't. So where we're going to find resistance now is going to be somewhere around here, 1.97 trillion. That is, if we continue to move up and try to break this channel. Again, we got to break it and then confirm breaking it on the next candle. Remember that, right? Not just one candle breaks, next candle confirms. Otherwise, we could be looking for another movement back down, and it'll be a fake breakout. There's really nothing else happening here on market cap. We are just neutral at 47.47. On that note, let's go and check out Bitcoin dominance. Buffering or just you? I think I'm having internet issues, or I'm having some kind of issue. For some reason, I'm not sure why. On my end, it says no drop frames, so let's keep rolling. Bitcoin dominance, we're going from a high point to a low point, right? Nothing here happening. Yesterday, Bitcoin gapping up on dominance, gaining 0.93%, not too bad. Today going back down a bit, 0.31%. So nothing crazy happening. I'm worried about some bad data here on dominance. We'll see how that works, but let's go check out price of Bitcoin. Bitcoin at 43,757 first. Let's go here and see how we're doing. Are we making that higher than the previous high? Not yet. Are we hitting the 20? Not yet. We're still in the negative. So we could run to that 20 and then try to reject. I was really hoping for a break of the 20 and then move back down a bit. That way we could give continuation to this fractal pattern. Not necessarily be too bad if we did. But right now we are outside of this area of support resistance. Let's go check out the monthly because I think preparing for war. Oh, people, pizzas. Oh, look. We closed red on the month. So a lot of guys, well, not a lot of guys. A lot of guys actually did say we're going to close red. But we're good. Oh, Zufir, what's up? Right, so let's go and check out, again, the price of Bitcoin. We did close red. There we go. We're opening slightly green. Or now we're opening red. Yeah, we're opening red for October, but not too bad. Let's go to the Bitcoin chart. We know and use every time. Again, look, we're right at that resistance zone. We're rejecting 43,923, and we're also rejecting this resistance line, blue line that we have here on the chart. Remember, we have this blue line here, and we're rejecting it. That's what we talked about. We could reject it. Where can we go if we do go down? Could go down to a $42,996 market if we break again 40,000. I am hoping that we're going to hold this area and then either today or tomorrow break above it. Right? I mean, on the first or day after the second, we break above it, go for that 20, get above that 43,923 mark. Nothing else happening here right now. Last thing we had was this bullishness, again, running on the same bullishness, going higher. We talked about that yesterday. So neutral at 47.25. Let's go to the 4 hour. Prepare for war says no. Let me know when you can send me the pizza, man. I'm hungry. I'm kidding. I'm not going to have pizza, man. It's all good. Bearish divergence we had yesterday, remember? Action to downside. So we could go down, flag a little bit, hit that area. We did revisit 42,996. Look at that. Very nice hit. Bouncing, trying to go higher, but right now failing to break above 43,000. 43,923, right? So we're trying to get above that area. But we'll see what happens there. We're neutral at 56.93. And yeah, that's about it, though. I mean, we're not creating anything else right now, I think. So we're going slightly higher. We're going slightly higher here and slightly higher here. The only thing I could check and give some validity to is saying that we still have hidden divergence. And that will be if we move this from here to here, right? And from here to here. We still have that hidden bearish, and it's putting pressure at a key resistance level. That is 43,923. We also have key resistance on the daily right at this line, right? We need to get above that area for us to go higher. We need to break this area and break above that 20. So let's go back here. what I'm gonna do is I'm basically gonna undo the moves I just did, because I'm gonna make these moves again on the recorded video that I'm gonna post later on tonight. So let's go here on the 1 hour and see what's happening there. Yeah, I'm getting the stream is not getting enough video to maintain a smooth streaming. I'm not sure why I'm having buffering issues, but on my end it seems to be fine. So what are we gonna do, man? That's not how I remember it. Prepare for war. I think you said if it's green, you owe me pizza. If it's red, I owe you. I'll buy everyone pizza. I think those were your words, weren't they? Anyways, we're coming up on the 1 hour, right? We didn't have anything bullish, came back down, found support, pop. Great. We were not creating anything bearish yesterday. But the 4 hour divergence that we had started to break us back down again. Held support beautifully. Look, broke back down, broke back up again. So fake breakout below 42,896. We got another one here. Now we finally pop. Now we are creating strong bearish divergence, and with that, the possibility for action to downside. So after that move, we should be going for a retest of that 20 moving average, and that's what we're gonna check, see if we got that right. We did move, hit that 20 and bounce, and we're rejecting again. So upon that rejection and failing to get higher than the previous high, we could be looking for still a little bit more of a movement down. And again, it would not be weird if we retest that 20 moving average or even 42,996. So not bad here. Convergence, it's all good. Are we doing anything else? Not yet. Low, higher low, negative momentum, less negative momentum, and a low point on the R side to a higher point. Neutral at 56.59, pointing down on the R side. That means that we're looking at least for action to downside for the short term on Bitcoin. On that note, let's leave the corn and check out Ethereum. Ethereum at $3,005. Remember we talked about going higher. So. Pizza emojis? Yeah, put a pizza emoji if you feel like Prepare for War said that he was going to buy pizza for people. Let's keep rolling. I'm having buffering issues, and I do know that when you have buffering issues, YouTube removes people from the stream. So it's probably crashing, and I'm not sure why it does that. But when your video is not optimal, when you're dropping frames, they do remove people. Or, kick people out or things like that. So we'll see. Hopefully this will be fixed and sorted out. I'm not sure why I'm buffering a lot. Or from on my end, everything seems to be okay. There's really no one else using the internet right now, so it should all be good. Let's keep checking here. Ethereum bouncing, getting above 2,891. We should be going for that 20 moving average at 3,147. Not a bad move. Neutral at 45.96. Not a lot happening. 4 hour chart, we're looking at this move. Did we go for that measure move? Not yet. We haven't quite gone for it. So we did break above right on yesterday as we're live. So we'll move this here. We didn't quite go for that move yet. We flagged down a bit, just like Bitcoin found some support and bounce. That's all good. Nothing bearish for the short term, I think. Let me just zoom in here. Yeah, nothing bearish, and we're neutral at 54.12. So let's go to the 1 hour chart. I'm killing it. Nice. By the way, if you bought the dip, type 1. If you didn't buy the dip, type 2. I want to know if you guys bought into that dip. Let's go and check. What did Ethereum? Up next, Poly. So Poly, 74.56 cents. On the daily, bullish divergence action to the upside. Nice move here on Poly. Going up on bullish divergence. That is nice. That's what we want to see. Right now we are, assuming here, we don't have it against the RSI. We're bought at 61.13, so we can still run. We're above that 20, which is good. Still looking for action to the upside. Last thing we had, bullish divergence. Nothing bearish coming in yet. Let's go and check out the 4 hour chart. Oh, a lot of people bought into that dip. That's good. What flavor was it? Let me know. What flavor was the dip? Was it French onion? Cheese dip? Let me know on the comments. Come on, people gotta laugh a little bit, man. When you smile, endorphins go into your body and make you feel better. Smile. We are bought at 69.13. With that potential fraction of downside, we do have strong bearish divergence. We haven't confirmed closing this candle. Still have an hour and 39 minutes to go. And there's a possibility that we could be looking or start to look for a potential movement down. It will depend on how we close this candle and how strong we want to push on the next one. If we don't push heavily, I guess we should be looking for at least a little bit of a retracement happening here on Pulley. But I'd rather wait and see targets. We could be aiming for a 20 moving average at around 58.46 cents on support. 1 hour chart. 1 hour chart. It came from daily, or the 4 hour. It came from daily. All right, so here, let's move that to here, and this is strong, right? So, and coming up higher, right? And as we are coming up higher, we're managing to make less of this positive momentum. So strong bearish divergence against the MACD and the RSI. Now, is this going to trigger right now? I'm not sure. It's just a second bar that we're making here in the MACD. So we could go making a little bit more positive momentum still. Like that means we're going to pump more. We're still going to be coming here and we still have negative momentum. So I'm not sure if it's going to trigger right now. Just watch out. If it does trigger, move into a 20 moving average will be a target. 20 moving average right now is sitting at 68.38 cents. We'll see how that works, right? Solana, right. That's going to be the last coin we're going to put on the list. So Sol, take the last spot for tonight. Here we go. Anyways, bearish divergence action downside. We are sitting overbought at 70.77. With strong bearish divergence, that would suggest that we should be looking at least for a movement down on Poly. Like I said, we might be going for the 20 moving average. Up next, AMP. So, wow, we dropped a lot of viewers again. Not sure why we're getting buffering issues, but we'll figure them out. Right, so I'm checking here short term. There's bullish divergence. I'm gonna have to check here real quick. Yeah, no bullish divergence. All right, so no bullish divergence. So we're getting action downside. We're following the market, getting above that 618, above the 20 moving average right now. Neutral at 49.71. I'm not finding a lot here on the daily for AMP, so let's go to the 4 hour. All right, so what I'm noticing here is that we're starting to develop right now some hidden bearish. That hidden bearish divergence could be giving us potential for stagnation, maybe actually the downside, right? Just be careful about this. It's the only thing it has right now. I don't even think we have it here against the MACD. We don't. So it's just against the RSI that we have this divergence. So be careful with that. You could start, I guess, to go down a bit. There's really nothing else happening here on the 4 hour. Just want to make sure I anchored. I didn't. Good thing I checked. Good thing I checked. And let's move on to the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour chart, coming up higher. Yeah, lower. We are sitting up bought at 69.15. I'm not going to look at what happened here. There's nothing happening right now. That is, we are having strong bearish, against the MACD and the RSI. And that's going to be the start for AMP. With that, we should be looking at some potential action to the downside, right? That's what strong bearish divergence brings us. It is the gift of strong bearish divergence. Right? Ooh, mouse starting to go crazy. There we go, man. Not sure why the mouse sometimes goes nuts around this time. Bought at 69.50 again. Being bought, strong bearish divergence, potential moving down. Let's see if we get that. Let's go and check. CLV. I think that's the next one. CLV to the dollar, man. Sitting at $1.10. $1.10. Strong bullish divergence against the MACD. Not against the RSI though, right? Not against the RSI. So we'll check this here in a second, see where we're at on the fibs. We do have fibs, they're short term, they're short lived. So we're trying to get above that 786 and trying to hold it. Not bad move, not a bad move. It's okay. So we are above some fib retracement. Neutral at 41.35, so not the strongest looking right now. So let's go into the shorter time scales. Again, strong bullish, actually the upside. We're trying to go there. Might be going for that 20 moving average around $1.22. 4-hour chart. A lower link, negative, less negative. Low to high here as well. I know there's a small island here of negative momentum. It's tiny. I'm not going to use it for now. I do believe this is a move that we have. Strong bullish potential for action to upside. It's starting to rally. And man, now we're making hidden bearish. And that's what we're starting to struggle here. Look at that. Hidden bearish divergence. We're getting it near resistance, right? We're trying to hold for one candle. Not the strongest looking. It is a spinning top. It's almost, no, it's not a spinning top. It's just an indecision. Well, we kind of open and close at the same level. We did bullishly push back up. It's not quite indecision. Right now we're looking at a spinning top on this candle here. So we're a little bit undecided as to where we want to go. So that hidden divergence could be looking to move us down, right? So let's go to the 1-hour chart. On the 1 hour, sideways motion. Coming lower, bearish divergence. We had the possibility for action to the downside. We just need to confirm it. We're going to get this movement to play us down. How are we going to confirm we're going to go down to 20 moving average? Did we hit it already? No, we should be going for that 20, but we're holding support at that 786, right? We hold up for 1, 2, 3 candles now. Not bad. Not bad for the RSI here. Bought at 67.20. Yeah, I did look at the month. I did look at the month. Let's go to ADA. ADA to the dollar. Ooh, we're getting a one typed in. That was a while back. Thank you, Tristan, for the number 1. Much appreciated, my friend. Thank you for being here. Oh my goodness, it's weird, man. Viewership is just like up and down. Like it's weird spikes today. So we'll see what happens. Anyways, not a lot I can do here live to fix the buffering issues. Part of live streaming. Again, I'll post a short video after the stream, all right, guys? So if you want to help out the stream or the channel grow, just go watch that video, leave it playing, hit the like, on that video. It really helps the algorithm. You can leave me a comment, not on this video. These videos get taken down, or don't get taken down, they get hidden. But go comment on the new videos. If you don't comment today, just comment tomorrow. They'll help the algorithm get things started and moving, and maybe it'll help me pick up a little bit more steam. We're neutral at 54.18, right? With that, and not a lot happening here on ADA. Sideways motion, still consolidating above the 20 moving average at $2.09. Let's go to Solana. Someone said, yo, mister, can you check the Sol? I said, sure, man. Let's check Solana. Now we're going to go check out Solana. Solana at $140.10. Moving back. Damn, right now. On the daily consolidation, we closed below a fib retracement, right? 3618. We're hitting that area. We're rejecting it. We're still between the 382 and 236, which is good. Again, the only reason I left this fib is because we don't have a lot of information at this levels. It's looking good. Solana, look, we had that divergence that went there. Hidden bullish still into play, right? Sideways motion. So we're moving sideways. It's great. We're still below 20. Unable to break above the 3618. Neutral at 50.95. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Bullish divergence popping. Rejecting, moving back down. Is there anything bearish here? I can't see anything bearish while we're moving down. Probably moving down with Bitcoin and company. It would not be weird if we notice that also Ethereum had something similar, or other cryptos, right? So let's go here on the 4 hours, sorry. and say, yo, look, strong bullish divergence, possibility for action to the upside. Are we going to go up higher? We're trying. Tried and failed. Do we have bearish divergence? No bearish divergence. Moving back down. High, negative, less negative, low to high. There's really not a lot going on here that will give us a clear idea as to where this wants to go. We're getting consolidation. Look, hidden bearish divergence. What is hidden bearish divergence? Get us potential action to the downside. Sideways motion. We're still sideways. Again, neutral at 52.68. Did I anchor here? Did I anchor? Please tell me I anchored. I didn't. So I'm not going to anchor everything. I'm just going to anchor the last couple of 4-hour candles because we're just going to focus on this tail end of the chart, right? This part here. It's a low, lower, negative, less negative, strong, bullish divergence. That history that we could not see on the 4-hour, we're certainly getting it on the 1-hour chart. And that's why we move through timescales, right? We want to get different areas of, we want to see different timescales to see if we're getting coinciding data. All right, then here on this move, we create some strong bearish. That's when we move down. That's fine. I'm trying to get the flow of the chart, so to speak, and see where we could be going. Again, there's strong bearish divergence in this last bit, which again, action to downside out a resistance. Moving us down, we could be going for that 20 moving average, right? Strong bearish, moving us down. That's it. Neutral 52.54. 20 moving average at $138.91. Right now, we're sitting at $139.94. So it's not too far from where we're at, right? About $1 drop. Nothing too crazy. Nothing too crazy. On that note, I'm gonna go do Cody real quick. See where Cody's at. I need to leave a position open there. Haven't really checked how Cody's doing. It's moving sideways. All right. So we're moving back down, hitting that 618. Last time we looked at this, we had the bearish divergence. Guess what? We still had it there. We still had it here. Look at that. Oh no, we hit our target. Great. Coming back down. It's all good. Cody's doing okay. So yeah. Bought at 61.77. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. High to low, positive, high to low. Nothing here that is bullish or sorry, nothing here that is bearish. Let's look into for bullish, low to high. All right, hidden bullish starting to come in. With that, we could be getting some stagnation. We're finding it at a support. Could be looking at least for some action to the upside as well. That would not be bad if we actually found this and took a rally here, right? Neutral at 51.01. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. Right. Low to high, high to low, and high to low. Low to high, negative, less negative, and low. Are we going lower here, man? We are. So hidden bullish coming into play, right? We broke that line. Remember, we draw those lines of resistances. Trend line resistances, and we broke it. We went short-term bullish. Right. So, all right, here we go. Hidden bullish, action to the upside. We did already go up, hit that 20, and we're rejecting. Now, on that move, we're starting to come lower. And if we notice here short-term, we are starting to develop some strong bullish divergence. So, with that, the possibility for action to the upside, right? We're just getting this rejection. But we'll see, man. We'll see. That's it here. Let's go back to the corn. Bitcoin, 43,607. OMG did one more pump. Yeah, I did OMG. I covered it yesterday. I'll look at it real quick because I think I said we were going to go back down to that 20 pump. And I even put that on the video. And we did go back down on the divergence and then we pumped afterwards. We just didn't hit that 20. I know because I checked it out today. OMG at $12.29. I'm just going to check it on the 1 hour. Look, had that divergence yesterday, right? Look here, 9 p.m. We were somewhere on here. Moved down, that's fine. So we're looking at this already in the stream. It's an action to downside. Maybe go for that 20. We didn't hit the 20. We pumped quite nicely. The thing that I'm noticing here, at least on the first one, we don't have anything. But against the MACD, we are creating bearish divergence every time we're rallying. So we have one to here and then one to here, right? So pumped and pumped again, and as you can see here, we're still coming down lower every time, so lower and lower. Strong bearish divergence, potential for action to the downside. We could be aiming for the 20 moving average at around $11.68. Bought at 67.25. low to high, more negative, traded some hidden bullish, and this could be part of the reason that we are still rallying a bit more. So that's it for OMG and what it's doing right now. So let's go back to Bitcoin again and check it out real quick. And tonight we're gonna keep it short, guys. We're gonna keep it short. Right? It's a weird stream. We're having connection issues. A lot of you guys are buffering. It's not the best experience for you, and it's also not what I want, the experience that I want for you guys to have. So what I'm gonna do is instead of keeping the stream going, I'm just gonna go and make that short video so I can upload it, because it takes me some editing to go through that. And yesterday I did go to bed around I'm not an expert at editing, and I'm learning, so yesterday I went to bed around 2:30, so I'm fairly tired today, and I still want to get you guys one more of those videos. I'm not sure if those are going to be daily. Maybe they're going to be daily throughout the week, but then on the weekend I'm not going to be making those static videos. We'll see how things go. So on that note, that's going to be it for tonight. Guys, thank you very much for watching. Thank you for being here. If you like what we do, you know what to do. Hit the like, hit the bell, hit the sub, join us in the Discord. Links have gone out. Pin at the top of the chat. All the information that we provide here is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Please don't trade based on what you see here. We're just discussing ideas. This is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. This is So Crypto. If you're feeling So Crypto, before I go, type 1. If you're not feeling So Crypto, type 2. I'm feeling So Crypto today. Let me know. Yes, tomorrow I may, but I can't, because I'm gonna get the shot. So, but you guys can do that. You guys can pick up a word, and we'll see how that goes. We'll see how that goes, right? Anyways, all right. Everyone's So Crypto. Haha, I see what you did there with 1. I am So Crypto. I'm also So Crypto. Remember, guys, most awesome crypto community out there. Thank you very much, guys, for having followed here from the other channel. I really, really appreciate it. Now, it's gonna be a huge uphill move to get this channel to go back up to 1,000. But we'll see. We'll see how fast we can get there and get us back to up and running. And we'll see also how quick we can get this channel to the 4,000 sub mark that we had. Thank you guys for joining me again. That's gonna be it for tonight. I'll catch you again tomorrow for another edition of So Crypto. Until then.